Hi, welcome to Culinary Tales. Today we are going to make makhana chaat. So these are the ingredients which we need: some roasted makhana, bundi, aloo, imli ki chutney, coriander chutney, salt to taste, chili powder and curd. First, in the chopped potato, we are going to add some salt, then red chili powder and some bundi. Mix it well. Now we are going to add some makhana. Then we are going to add the mixture of potato and bundi. Now we are going to add some curd. Also you can add some chaat masala for the flavor, some sweet chutney, then the green chutney, and in the end some save, and our makhana chaat is ready.